Hello, traders. Today is Tuesday, July 8th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So, on the 1 hour time frame, we have first of all almost a perfect five-wave pattern up, like a picture perfect five waves with a breaker structure to the downside. That pretty much proves to me that the five waves up are complete. That's my cue to put my Fibonacci retracement on that five waves. This move down definitely looks impulsive to me, probably a wave A. I think there's a very good chance that this will make some sort of a correction to the move down, like a wave B, and probably another push down to maybe the 61 or even the 78% for a wave C. On the daily time frame, it really doesn't look like the move up is complete yet. The move up definitely could be a correction to the move down, but it doesn't really look like it's complete yet. So I am definitely looking at this sideways price action that we are likely going to see today as very, very likely just a pullback to the last five impulsive waves up. So definitely looking for three waves down, Fibonacci bounce, and golfing move to the upside for another potential entry to go long via the dollar pairs themselves. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.